The allure of becoming a millionaire overnight has drawn many into the world of cryptocurrencies, and PiNetwork, a 5-year-old and relative newbie, is no exception. The phrase Global Consensus Value, GCV, has been circulating among the murmurs of riches. Some groups think they can publicly declare Pi's worth, which is a misperception about how cryptocurrency valuation naturally occurs. The goal of this article is to sort through these fantasies of financial success and reveal Pi's realistic earning potential. Current value of PiNetwork is now in an enclosed mainnet phase, and its value has not yet reached the open market. Its adoption rate, network security, ecosystem readiness, and ability to compete with other cryptocurrencies are all variables influencing its potential worth. Speculative future Pi's potential value rise is a subject of much conjecture. Some enthusiasts who have become engrossed in the GCV story are asserting absurdly high valuations for Pi coins that range from $314 to an astounding $314,000 each. Despite seeming alluring, these numbers appear to disregard the core ideas behind cryptocurrency valuation. Reality check. Debunking GCV. The idea of GCV, which is promoted by some parties, demonstrates a lack of knowledge of how digital currencies' value develops naturally. These declared numbers would put Pi's total market cap significantly above well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially given the publicly disclosed total quantity of 100 billion tokens. Furthermore, there would be significant tax repercussions for owners of Pi coins if such assessments were accurate. For those who possess a sizable number of coins, a single Pi coin valued at $314,000 would result in a tax liability that may reach hundreds of thousands of dollars. Money that most won't have until they try to cash out, which is not going to be easy to achieve at that valuation. This fantastical valuation appears to be more wishful thinking than a realistic financial estimate. PiNetwork, a cryptocurrency project, has generated significant interest and speculation since its inception in 2019. Many participants have been drawn in by promises of easy mining through their smartphones in hopes of future wealth. However, discussions about Pi's potential value have led to widespread misconceptions, with some projecting valuations as high as $314, based on the mathematical constant Pi, or more per coin. Let's address some key points and debunk the myths surrounding PiNetwork's valuation. Conclusion. While the concept of mining cryptocurrency via a smartphone is appealing, the speculative nature of PiNetwork makes it important for users to approach with caution. Its potential value will be shaped by future developments, including mainnet launch, exchange listings, ecosystem growth, and user adoption. Until these elements materialize, assumptions about Pi becoming a millionaire maker are unfounded. PiNetwork's story combines optimism, false user-generated information, and sobering financial reality. PiNetwork's innovative approach to mobile mining is encouraging, but it seems unlikely to be the get-rich-quick scheme some want it to be, especially while misguided values like GCV are at play. As with any investment, avoiding the waves of false information and achieving potential financial rewards requires making an informed choice, supported by a solid understanding of the cryptocurrency industry. As always, only take to heart information spread by the project's core team on their website or the Pi app announcements, and steer clear of the conjecture and confusion spread by users in the Pi chat rooms.